Hello everyone. To add comment on Google Docs, first select any part of your text or any paragraph you want to add comment. For example, this part of my text. And after that, on the top menu, click on Insert, and at the end, click on Comment. Now you can write your comment or add others with @. After that, click on Comment. And also, for example, another one. Again, click on Insert, click on Comment, and click on and write your text. And also, if you click on that comment, you can reply or add others. And if you want hide comment section, on the top click on View and turn off show comments. As you see, comment section, comments are hide. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel and support us to make more videos. Thanks for watching.